GPK Auctions presents Yo, what up? Booze and Bruce here, GPK Auctions. We got a very good mail day today. There's only one thing inside this box, but it's a very special thing. It's a 1985 original Series 1 wax pen. I bought this off of eBay a while back. Paid a little too much for it because it was already graded when I bought it. This was a PSA 8 Series 1 unopened wax pack when I bought it. But when I bought it, I turned around and I noticed something on the back. And that something was I saw an atom bomb sticking out the back of the pack. So I wanted to send it in, have it relabeled as atom bomb on the back. But as I looked at it with closer inspection, I noticed that it wasn't actually atom bomb, but it was Blasted Billy. So either way, we should have a pack in here. It's a PSA 8 graded pack, labeled Blasted Billy on the back. So let's bust right into this and see what we got here. Some wrapping, got my submission form here. We're gonna open this bad boy up. Pull out the rest of this packaging here. There she goes. PSA. Here she goes. I can get in this freaking thing here, jeez. Blasted Billy bag. You can see his face on there. I can see it clear as day when I bought this. Can you see it? You can't see it as good as I could when I first got it, but he's on there, and it's labeled Blasted Billy bag. Gotta love it. PSA 8, 1985 top plate. I was really hoping for an atom bomb, but the Blasted Billy is just, it's nice too. It's just not the same. Anyway, there she is. It's the only thing we got today. Actually, since I got it right here, I'll bust it open. Got another package today. This wasn't from PSA, but cool nevertheless. Godzilla. Burning Godzilla. My kid's gonna love this. Booze and Bruce. GPK Auctions. Like the video, hit subscribe. We're doing PSA Series 1 pack breaks every week. We're doing constant PSA submission openings. Hit that subscribe button. Don't miss them. Peace.